Dopamine is a small organic molecule that transmits neural signals from one nerve cell to another in the brain. While structurally similar to other neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine, dopamine plays a distinctive role in human evolution. Dopamine is a feel-good neurotransmitter. It stimulates pleasurable experiences, triggers a rewarding feeling, and reinforces behaviors that lead to further enjoyment. Consequently, it fuels curiosity, risk-taking, and addictive tendencies, manifesting in activities like gaming, substance abuse, and gambling. The most significant function of dopamine in humans is to make sex a pleasurable activity. It stimulates sexual arousal, desire, and pleasure. It also triggers the feeling of reward and reinforces sexual behaviors. Due to its pleasurable nature, people engage in sex frequently, even in scenarios where reproduction is not the goal, such as during menstruation or while using contraceptives. The non-reproductive sexual behavior consumes time and energy that could otherwise be allocated to tasks like gathering food or building shelters. Additionally, sex poses risks as it can transmit infectious pathogens, including viruses, bacteria, and parasites. Despite these apparent drawbacks, frequent non-reproductive sexual activity remains a significant aspect of human life. Other animals do not seem to derive pleasure from sexual activities, raising the question of why humans add pleasure to the reproductive act. The fundamental purpose of living beings is to propagate genes through reproduction. The optimal strategy for this is to produce as many offspring as possible. For men, maximizing offspring production can be achieved through multiple copulations. However, women face significant burdens of gestation and childcare, which require time, resources, and protection. Consequently, support from men becomes crucial for offspring survival. So, how to ensure men stay committed to this support role? The answer lies partly in the enjoyable aspect of sex. Sexual pleasure binds men and women into familial and societal units, fostering cooperation in child-rearing and ensuring the survival of offspring. However, the dominance of sex as a primary source of dopamine is diminishing. With activities like gaming and gambling also triggering dopamine release, human relationships are evolving. Technological advancements offer a wide array of dopamine-inducing pursuits, many of which are easily accessible, diverting attention from sex. It is speculated that these diversions from sex contribute to the decline in sexual activity and birth rates over decades. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, there was a prediction that the shutdown could lead to a baby boom. However, this expectation did not materialize. Alarmingly, the trend of declining birth rates is dangerously steep, according to the World Health Organization. Dopamine is a double-edged sword. It equips Homo sapiens with the power to survive and thrive. It could also end the existence of this species on the planet.